Yo, what's good, everybody? We back with another video, and look, today I'm gonna let my brother drive my Scat. Now, it might not sound special to you, but to me, that's something crazy. I don't think my brother has been in a car like a Scat, anything as fast as a Scat. I don't think so. I'm not sure, but my brother's not really a car person. He's not into the car stuff like I am. So this will be a whole different experience. He's been inside my RT before, and I didn't record that because I didn't think nothing of it, but his reaction with just my RT was crazy, so I want to see his reaction with the Scat. So I'm gonna drive first, then he doesn't know that he's driving yet, but I'm gonna surprise him with that. But I just told him, yo, look, let's go for a ride. I got off early, you off today, let's go do something. So he said, all right, bet. So I'm gonna get him to drive the Scat. I don't know if he's gonna push it, I don't know if he's gonna, like, you know, baby, I don't know how he's gonna drive it, but if I can get him to at least drive it, we're gonna start off in eco mode, then we're gonna do a sport mode and track mode or whatever, and see how he reacts to that. But it's gonna be crazy. Right now I'm really excited because I never really won. I never got to really see my brother drive other than one time. So other than that, it's gonna be crazy being in the car with him and see how he drive the Scat. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all do, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and all that fancy stuff, man. Let's get this thing popping.
What's up, Brody?
What's good, Brody?
What's good?
You ready?
Yes, sir. Yes,
I don't think you're ready.
No, I'm not ready, but let's do it.
All right, look, we got my brother in the car now, man.
Yo.
We about to look. We about to turn up. About to turn up. So right now I'm just in slow mo. I call this joint Eco.
Okay.
So the reason why I call it Eco is because on my apps, on my little pages, if I go to my auto joint, it's eco, so you know I'm saving gas. You know?
Yeah, there you go. Save the world.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, save the world. So this right here, it's an 8-cylinder car, it's a V8.
Okay.
You know what a V8 is.
Oh yes.
All right, bet. So in eco mode, I'm only using 4 cylinders.
Oh.
So I'm using half of what the car actually got.
Damn. Okay. You running now? You went base.
Yeah, I'm in base. I'm in base form.
Yeah.
And then on top of that, I got this thing right here. It's called a raw pedal. Okay. So what that do is all cars come with a type of lag on the gas and brake, right?
Right.
What this do is get rid of that lag.
Wow.
So even though I'm in eco mode, if I change this to race mode, it's gonna feel like I'm in any of these sport or track mode.
Oh, okay.
But right now I got it in SA, which stands for eco. Okay. So it's in eco. That's why I call it eco mode.
Nice.
Some people ain't understand that, but it's eco.
Okay.
And with that, you can already feel the difference.
Okay. Oh, God.
And that's still eco.
Right. Damn. Really? Shit.
They get up.
Yeah, I didn't doubt it though. That's right.
Just straight gas.
100% connect.
Straight gas. But so I was telling them, I was like, I don't know what's the fastest car you've been in.
Damn. I've been in a couple joints.
Okay.
I've been in a couple joints. I've been in the Cat, but you know, we didn't do nothing crazy.
Nothing crazy?
Yeah, we didn't do nothing. We just went from like a point A to point B destination, but it was chill. It was nice, just as smooth. Man.
So look, you been in that Hellcat, so I didn't even know that.
Right.
So alright, so I gotta show out a little bit. He said they ain't really do too much in the Hellcat. So
you already know that's our good buddy Wayne. Shout out to Wayne.
Oh yeah, that's Mr. What's his drink? What's the color of his drink? The green drink?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, bet.
Before that, I was in the V8. My man CJ had the Volvo, the V8.
Okay.
V8 turbo. That was crazy. Pressing gas, car started up like 0 to 60 in like 2 seconds. I was like, what is
0 to 60 in 2 seconds?
It was. I didn't need, man. And that's a story within itself one day.
Oh man, we gotta get CJ on the channel. CJ, where you at, man? We gotta get you on the channel. You gotta talk to me about that. Oh yeah, so we outside. It's a little windy out here. But we outside the car now. Like, we in a little secluded area right now. And the reason why I brought you back here, cause you about to drive the Scat today.
Yes, sir. The power's in my hand.
The power's in your hand.
You know, I've been thinking about this a lot. With great power comes great responsibility, and that's what we got going right here. You know, brother put the power in my hand, so I just hope I don't let him down.
Oh yeah. We're gonna start off right here. You know, it's a lot of room. It's a lot of straight right here too. I don't see no speed bump right here, so we're gonna get a little couple pulls down the straight too. So you got the mix of everything. You know, we might even spin some tires a little bit.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
Nice.
So yeah, we got the Scat. Y'all see my rap video. So this is how the Scat's looking right now. She was cleaned about a couple days ago. Yeah, we got that purple and red two-tone. How you feel about the rap?
Oh, I love it. I love it. You know, it's the Raging Demon.
The Raging Demon.
You know, it's only one way to go.
So if a lot of y'all don't know, Akuma is from Street Fighter. For the people who did not know, a lot of people always ask, yo, where's Akuma from? Is it from Tekken? Is it from like some type of Japanese thing? No, Akuma's from Street Fighter. The origin of him is something that you gotta look at. I can't really explain it. But the reason why I chose Akuma, I feel like, one, I did put another Japanese thing on my car. It's an American car, but I don't care. I'm the one paying for it, so I don't care what you I don't care what you gotta say. But honestly, Akuma he's just badass, for real. One of the hardest bosses to beat in the game. Honestly, you got to do so much just to even unlock him as a character. Back then, now you can kind of just buy him for $5.99 or $13.99. I don't know price is. But back then, the only way to get Akuma is if you beat the game some type of way, and then you got to perfect the last boss or something like that. It's something crazy. Look up the story. I can't really tell you, but his story was dope. And one, his hair color was red, and his power is purple. So, you know, that's the reason why it's red and purple for the people who don't know. That's the reason why I did that 2 colors. But I got a lot of plans for the rap and everything like that, and some future stuff as well. But
okay,
that's the story.
You know.
But now we gotta get you behind the seat now.
Hey.
It's time for the fun part.
Oh, yeah. All right, I'm gonna move like a turtle.
We moving like a turtle.
Yeah, we not going nowhere. We are definitely not going nowhere. No
I ain't recorded, but an old man just put up in the Chrysler, did a burnout right in front of the feds.
That's a big ass rock.
Oh, you better dodge the rock?
I hope I did.
Oh, you scared me.
And you scared me. I ain't know the parking lot was gonna be like this.
I ain't know either.
Why does y'all look like this?
This ain't dirty.
Hey, we gonna need the city to get this together.
They can come fix this. After this video, if y'all watch this video, city come fix y'all parking lot.
I can tell this joint is powerful though already. Just moving as slow as not moving though. Like, do I even wanna, here we go, we just gonna slow it down here. We're just gonna slow it down. And now I wanna go this way.
Yeah, we gonna go that way.
So, we're just gonna... boy.
Oh, it's gonna be funny.
Oh boy, I'm rusty. I remember you let it go. Ah, yeah, I can feel myself getting my license soon. I can feel the power. This thing, oh man. Look at my unsteadiness. I just want to stay in the middle of the lane.
You can do that.
I really can. This car has excellent control.
Yeah,
we're not going anywhere.
We're not.
As you can see.
It's okay.
Yeah.
As soon as we go, it's a nice little straight
I
way.
ain't touching there straight away.
Nah, you got touch the straight.
Nah, you just
technically, this right here is illegal. Driving through the parking lot like this.
It is?
Technically. Yeah, this part right here is illegal.
Oh my God. Do. The car's too powerful for me. For me. Everything I do is scary. It's scaring me. It is very smooth though. This is a very nice ride. Very nice ride. Akuma is very, very powerful. What is that picture right there?
That's the picture of my old car, my RT.
Okay.
You know, for memories.
Yeah, memory's sake. And I know for a fact I am not in the lines. Damn, that was powerful.
Nah, you in the lines?
I'm in the lines.
Yeah, you might.
Oh,
you might
here we go.
You might be on 2 lines.
Uh-oh. No, I don't think it's bad. I just know it's powerful, man. I have trouble with these powerful cars, man.
Nah, you got this. Just go ahead and go on that straight.
Where am I going?
You going left. Turn left. Nah, I just drove with one of the little other cars, and that was really my first time behind the wheel. I never really had any driving experience at all.
For real?
Nah, other than the game, I never had. And to tell y'all, I only been driving for 2 years.
But he drives so nicely.
Yeah, and that's because I've been playing the game. I learned how to drive on the game. I was taught right here, just like them.
Nice.
2 years ago. Now I'm driving a Scat.
Damn. It's like a great origin story.
Yeah.
Oh man, I don't want to kill this guy.
Nah, you good. Just go ahead. Just go around him. As a matter of fact, that's the old man right there.
Old man.
You had some time off camera. Let's see what you can get it up to. Go ahead. Go ahead. Right. Ain't no car, ain't no people. You gotta know. Go ahead.
Here we go.
Yes. You gotta. It's like Venom. You gotta embrace the symbiote, man.
Yeah, I'm embracing the symbiote.
Oh yeah. Now you about to get up to 40.
Oh God.
Yeah. Yeah. Get up to 40. You 15. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Don't be scared. Keep going. Here you go. We got 30. We got 30. Oh, you still going.
got
You got slow. You got slow down. You got slow down now.
No.
Nah, you got slow. It's a sharp turn right.
I only had 3 more miles.
You got look. You got to start over
look,
again.
wind. I made that. Wind. Oh.
Here you go. Now look at all the straight you got. Now you can get up to 40.
Oh my God, this man.
Here you go. You got to start early though. Yeah. Oh yeah, you at 30. Oh yeah. 38. Alright, 40. Slow down. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, you did 40 in the Scat.
Yeah, man.
Baby steps, y'all. Baby steps. Look, it's a whole different type of power, bro.
You know, they don't know. 'Cause they on the outside.
They on the outside looking in.
I'm on the inside.
He on the inside.
I feel the power. And what mode am I in?
This eco.
Yeah, see, and it's still powerful. Y'all don't know. This thing is powerful. You know, I'm just cruising. You know, we just cruising in the parking lot.
Some people, when I got my Scat, it really only took me to test drive. It took me that 3 minutes of driving the car for me to like get the power underhand.
And I've seen you at the Corvette lot. What's going on, man?
I don't know, man. The Corvette's looking nice.
Is it faster than the Scat?
It depends.
Oh, all right.
Hey y'all in the video, in the comments, don't get at me. Look, if you can't buy a Ferrari, go buy a C8.
Okay, I saw that. That's what you was looking at, that little sharp looking joint.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Okay, I saw that.
You gotta be buying it.
That's different. That's different.
Only when you buying it, they gonna let you test drive it, I guess.
That's a different kind of money.
I was like, wow, okay.
I've not achieved.
Hey, look, we about to short a little bit. We about to go ahead and throw the joint in custom mode. You feel me? This is how I prefer to drive, is custom.
Okay.
And we gonna go ahead and turn that joint to race mode level 9. That's the highest level. 9 is the highest level.
9 is the highest level.
Yeah, you get race mode, you get sport plus, you get sport, and then you get regular, like how you got the car.
Gotcha.
And then you get eco.
Okay.
But you know, we just going straight to level 9, the highest level.
Okay.
It's no point. You know, I only bought it just to go fast.
Oh my God.
Not really fast, but to have the, you know, the feel of being fast.
Right.
Now we gonna see the difference. You already feel the difference.
I do.
It's not even like how you was driving it. That was me tapping it how you was tapping it.
Damn.
Go ahead with this joint right here real quick. That was 70. I could have hit 80, but the road got like kind of bumpy.
Right.
Yeah, so that was the way you was typing it. That was me typing. I'm literally trying to type it the lightest I can, and you still move your head back.
Sheesh.
Look, I ain't fooling y'all. It hasn't changed. It's still on.
Yeah, no, it's there. You see, it's red. It's still there. Green. That was eco mode. That let you know it was friendly.
We on here. We can go ahead and put it right here.
Demon mode. All right, yeah, you little my best friend on this motherfucker. The brake. What?
Oh yeah, it's about to be crazy.
Whole different vibe.
It's a whole different vibe.
That didn't even do anything. What the? I can't move.
You can't move?
I'm just gonna stay steady.
Nah, do how you was doing before when you got comfortable.
All right.
It's like you gotta learn all over again, don't it?
I do.
It's a whole different car now.
It feels like a whole different car.
So he had just got comfortable with eco. Now I put him in the highest level he could possibly be in. No traction, no nothing. Other than the steering wheel. The steering wheel's a little bit stiffer. It's not fully on track mode. And the traction's also not fully on track mode, but it's still off.
Yeah, but this thing, man, let me tell you, it's different. It's different vibes. Shit. And see that, the lock doors.
Yeah,
I'm going 20 without even trying.
This is you the same way you tapped on it the first time.
Yeah, this is way different.
So when he was tapping like that, yeah. So you feel that?
I go, ugh.
Yeah, and you did 40 the first time, and this is only going 20, and it feel like you're going faster.
Yeah, so 25 feels like fucking, feels like 40. I didn't even do nothing. And I'm already here at the end already. What the hell was that?
Yeah, that's what it was. You do it one more time? Yeah. Hey, yo.
Yeah, you know, it was great. You know, I'm having a great time. Yo. Great time, you know, riding in that raging demon. It definitely is that. It definitely is that. You know, try Eco. Then we went to motherfucking Super Saiyan Turbo. That was, let me tell you, I was going 10 miles per hour off of, there's no 0. You start at 10 to 100. Just like that. You know, very powerful but very smooth, man. Scat Pack life. If I were to choose a car, it would definitely be this, hands down. Cause it's just so, the ride was too enjoyable, man. It's just everything's efficient. Everything's swell. I can't call it.
There y'all have it. Look, I'm trying to tell you, the Scat life is a whole different life, man. That's why, the reason why I got it. It's fun. I mean, you know, I love all cars. Don't get me wrong, I'm not just Mopar, I'm not just Ford, I'm not just Chevy or whatever. I love all cars, but this was, I don't know, this more fun versus all the other cars that I drove so far.
Fact.
And other than that, the only thing, go ahead.
Reactions.
Yeah.
Man, the reactions, like, it's not even my car. And people telling me, damn, I ain't even do nothing.
Yeah,
I didn't even do nothing.
Just being in the car. People, like, we had like 10 people say like, yo, good car. One person, a little kid, had to do a burnout, but I kind of did like a small one. I ain't recorded, but I did a small one and then left them, you know. But it's just the reaction that people give you, the head. It's like the shoe game, you know. My brother in the shoe game and stuff like that. So like when you see a nice pair of kicks, you be like, hey, damn, hey, I ain't even get them drinks. Like, you got them drinks type of shit. It's like, it's the same feeling just with the car. Like, it's that nod of approval.
It
like
is, but that nod of approval feels way better. Way better. Let me tell you. I was like, oh shit, I might have to do something.
Somebody just now was like, yo, gave me a thumbs up. I ain't even know, he just drove past, thumbs up. You know, it's just that type of vibe. Like, people just congratulating you, type of thing like that. So it just feels good. And that's for any car, not just Charger alone. As long as you got a dope car and it look good and stuff like that, then people will give you that sign of approval.
You know, as long as that thing clean, you know, it's gonna do what y'all mean.
But yeah, that's my brother driving the Scat. This is this stage 1, because we gonna need you to do something a little bit more extra next time.
Next time, hopefully, you know, I can get a little more comfortable. We can find like some clear road.
Yeah.
And, you know, I can go a little crazy.
We go a little crazy, yeah. We went to a little pothole drain, you know, it was a little bumpy.
Man,
but
yeah, the city need to get on that.
The city gotta get on that. But look, we go get it popping. Hey, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe on that fancy stuff, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.